रस्तो अपघातांत बळी पडप्यांचो आंकडो अंदून 20% देंवला. गोंय पुलिशेन माहिती दिल्या. फाटल्या 15 वर्सांतली सगळ्यांत उणी टक्केवारी. गेल्या वर्सा रस्तो अपघातांत 328 लोकांक मरण आयिल्लें, जाल्यार अंदू तें उणें जावन 262चेर पावलां, अशें पुलिशेन मुखार सांगलें.
पुलीस महासंचालक मुक्तेश चंद्र म्हणटा, येरादारी नेम मोडप्यांचे सुमार 19,683 परवाने जप्त करून ते निलंबित करपा खातीर येरादारी खात्या कडेन धाडल्यात. रस्तो येरादारीच्या गुन्यांवांनी 48% वाड जाल्या. तशेंच घोळेत गाडी चलयतले 33% वाडल्यात, अशें तांणी सांगलें.
Fatal accident deaths in Goa have dropped by 20% as per the current figures available, and this is the lowest number of deaths in last 15 years. Significant decrease in heinous crime. Kurchoran police station was ranked 10th best in the country. We have made a lot of progress in CCTNS. Laptops have been distributed, and the officers will start using these laptops through Wi-Fi in the police station. Many a times we punish our subordinates for various misconducts done, but reward and punishment go side by side. When we punish any delinquent police officer for his misconduct, it is our duty to reward those who do good work also.
विदेशी बायलेचेर बलात्कार आणि 32 लाख रुपयांची चोरी हांचो बेगोबेग सोद लायिल्ल्यान पेडणेचो पुलीस निरीक्षक संदेश चोडणकार आणि त्याच्या पंगडाचो भोवमान केलो, अशें ताणें सांगलें. गुन्यांवकारी घडणुका पासून सुटका मेळोवपाक वेवसायांचे सुवातेर CCTV बसयात, असोय सल्लो तांणी दिलो.
Entire team of PI Pernem and he himself is being rewarded with certificate and cash reward, and we are here to give away these awards to the entire team so that the good work is recognized. A very serious crime had taken place in Goa. Rape of a foreign lady, 20th of December, and within hours of this incident, which happened in Kankona, a team of Police Inspector Pernem Sandesh Chodankar and his entire team, they were able to catch this accused, who had earlier committed a burglary of about 32 lakhs in a hotel in North Goa. That burglary incident happened on 18th of December.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्याम चारी.